never to be gone. I wish it upon another, but no one else in the particular strain of the class consciousness that we are evolving in has the faculty that I do, and they will be glad to hold their coat. In the meantime, I shall be God, and beside me there shall be no other.
If you had any competent, wholesome, complete memory of what has been happening in your presence, you wouldn't humiliate yourself by saying something as utterly outdated and asinine as caused by gravity, you fucking numpty.
You don't understand me. That's your trouble. Not my fault because you don't understand me.
Says you're a warlock and that you have the sign of an upside down cross on your chest, and that's the
Job with the CIA, bullet and get me. You underestimate my intelligence. You fuckers are too stupid to deal with me, and I am too sick of dealing with people who play these stupid ass games.
The fuck, man? Like, if this is what people are like out there, then go, come on, and firebomb it. Do it. Like, I don't care. I don't care if I die. It's like, if it's this fucking bad, just fucking finish it all. Like, I don't care if I die. Like, just fucking burn it all. If it's this fucking bad out there, like, then everybody deserves to die.
That I'm in, then I do the tinsel. And the real world is the one I have to deal with every day, you know. Believe me, if I started murdering people, there'd be none of you left.
Now, old friends support me. They support me. If you don't, then I have no objections just kicking you out.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. There's battle lines being drawn. Nobody